our third day here in Osaka. And actually, according to the weather app, it's 0 degrees Celsius. So here's my fit. Here's my fit. I don't know if okay na to because medyo manibis tong coat, but we'll see later. Okay, so we're currently here at Family Mart. And nag-coffee lang kami before we go to the dentist. I got coffee and salad. Let's eat. Good.
Okay na.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa dentist and may appointment kasi si Mom kasi meron siyang gum swelling. So 10-12 AM na and supposed to be magpapa-Kyoto kami ngayon pero na-postpone, so we're gonna do it on Tuesday and ngayon Osaka lang kami, like Osaka Castle and Shrine. Okay, I'll get back to you later. Hi guys, so it's been an hour and katatapos lang namin dito sa dentist. I'm just waiting for them na makalabas kasi bibili kami muna ng gamot. It's my view right now. Yan. As you can see, this is Osaka during morning. Nasa ano kami ngayon? I think yan, Tanimachi 2. As you can see here. Pero, pili ko din yung masyadong kita. But we're here at Osaka Tanimachi. Hi guys. So, ngayon, pupunta na kami sa Chuola. I'm going to Osaka Castle. And, right now, nasa Homachi Station kami. And, I think one more stop. Going to Osaka Castle. Ouch. And then, after that, hopefully, malapit daw yung lakad. There's the castle. So, nag-stop over lang kami dito sa may Osaka Castle Park. And, after this, we're going directly na dun sa castle. I'm gonna try this French toast. So, kay Shotty actually talaga to. And ito-try ko lang kung masarap. Anong feeling nito?
Ham and cheese.
So, ham and cheese. Let's try. Actually, masarap siya guys. I'll rate it a 8.2. So calming. So we're going up to the Osaka Castle and medyo mahaba-haba ata yung steps dito. This is it. Medyo malapit na. Okay, we're now here at Osaka Castle. So beautiful, guys. Look at that. Ang prominent ng gold details niya. Hi guys, so we're done going to Osaka Castle. Nag-pick lang kami, like family pick. And now we're going to have 5 Ferris wheel. And actually, mas okay dito weather kasi mas mainit. Like, may sunlight. As you can see. I don't know guys if may glare, pero don't mind it. Kasi yung lens ko parang madumi. Okay, we're now going down and going back to the station. I can live here. So calming. Okay, we're here at Hep 5 Ferris wheel, and this is like yung parang Makati ng Osaka. It's like very business-centered. Actually, medyo dry na yung lips ko. I think I need to put a lip gloss kasi nagka-crack na siya. I'm going to try this crepe with whipped cream and strawberries. But before that, guys, I also got cases with lemon twister. Very fresh lang yung taste niya. With lemon basil sauce. Then cabbage, then chicken. I'm going to try this crepe. Let's try this.
Ako na, tabag ko na yan. Para mabilis makuha. Ano to? Bago?
Sarap siya, guys. Just like what I thought it would be. 9.7 out of 10. Triple whipped cream.
扉が開きます。指滑りご注意ください。7階です。
Okay guys, so we're going to the Ferris wheel. Okay, so we got our tickets. And here's the ride, guys. My 360 view. So let's see. Okay guys, malapit na kami sa line. I think parang isang ikot lang siya. Pero okay lang yun kasi ikot lang din naman talaga. Just for the view. Okay, we're about to enter. Okay. Okay, we're here. Ang bagal ah.
Amazing fight.
Okay. Finally. So, we're already here sa Ferris wheel. And by the way, yung ticket is 600 yen. Pero since may Kansai Through Pass kami, I got discount na 100 yen since yung kay Mais na iwan niya. So, pinantay ko na lang na makapagtaas na kami para mas ma-appreciate natin yung Osaka.
Oh my God!
Osaka! Look at the skyscraper view. Oh my gosh! Nasa pinakataas na kami. Look at that!
Oh my God! So nice view! Hello! Wait!
We're done riding the Ferris wheel and we're now going to H&M kasi kami lang yung nag-Ferris wheel. So, nag-shopping muna at sila dad. And now we're going to them. Parang hindi naka-focus talaga. Anyway, I'll update you guys later. Hey guys, so 6:13 PM na. And we're going to Chutenkaku Tower. Actually, medyo feeling ko tumaas na yung weather. Like the degrees Celsius kasi Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig compared like kahapon. So, mas tolerable talaga siya ngayon. I think mga 200 meters. Doon din kami magdi-dinner. So, let's see. Look at this, guys.
Look at this. This is number tower.
So, here we are, guys, at Shinsekai.
Achi?
Yeah.
Kaya ba ito?
Oh. Look at that. The Hitachi Tower. Okay, guys, we're here at a sukiyaki place in Tsutenkaku. Ah. This is how it looks like. Malaki yung place niya. And you can really feel the Japanese vibe. Okay, papakita ko na lang sa inyo guys later kung ano yung mga o-orderin namin.
Kanina to?
Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Ginger. Kanya mag...
Lemonade first.
Soda pop ako. Oh my gosh, ganito pala yung soda pop.
Ano ba yun, friend?
Wala kang...
Taste test of the soda pop. Isang bubble gum. And I'm having this.
Oh, please.
Okonomiyaki.
Okonomiyaki.
And then we have this big itadakimasu. Nice.
Wala.
Sukiyaki.
Meron ako dito.
Meron ka? Akin na. Currently here at Donkey and mamili lang ng mga pasalubong.
Don 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 donkey.
It's already 8:45 p.m. and ang daming tao sa Donkey. Like, medyo mahaba yung pila. Pero, we're just one station, I mean 2 stops away from our hotel. So, that's like less than 10 minutes. We got 2 cards. And magbabayad muna kami. Hey guys, so it's 10:53 p.m. here in Japan. And kakauwi lang namin 40 minutes ago. And nagpack lang ako ng mga pinamili namin from Donkey. And I'm about to sleep na. So I'll see you tomorrow guys in Universal Studios. Bye!